Hello guys, panibagong araw, panibagong lesson tayo ngayon. So for today's video, we are going to discuss about quadratic function. So ito yun. Find the following in its quadratic function. Letter A, opening of the parabola. B, vertex. C, x-intercept. D, y-intercept. E, axis of symmetry. F, sketch the graph. So number one, we have f of x equals quantity x plus 3 squared plus 2. Number one, letter A, we are going to find the opening of the parabola. So to find the opening of the parabola, so we have the general form f of x is equals to a times x minus 8 squared plus a. So just look at the sign of a. If the sign of a is positive, so it means the parabola opens upward. So in this case, the value of a is positive, so the answer here, the parabola opens upward. So this is the answer in letter A. Let's proceed to letter B. So for letter B, we are going to find the vertex. So to find the vertex of the parabola, so in this general formula, f of x equals a times x minus 8 squared plus k. hk is the vertex. So the vertex here, hk, so is equals to, we have negative 3, positive 2. So this is now the vertex of the parabola. Next, letter C. So letter C, we are going to look for the x-intercept. So to find the x-intercept of this quadratic function, we are going to let f of x is equals to 0. So the solution now, or simply let y equals to 0. So y equals quantity x plus 3 squared plus 2. So the solution will be 0 equals x plus 3 squared plus 2. Then if we will transpose positive 2 here, so negative 2 equals x plus 3 squared. Then, removing the exponent, we will apply square root property, both sides. So cancel this. So we have now the square root of negative 2 equals x plus 3. Then since we have the square root here of negative number, so the x-intercept is undefined. So we cannot determine the x-intercept. In short, this quadratic function doesn't have x-intercept. So this quadratic function will not touch on the x-axis. So that's the meaning of that, because that is undefined. Next, letter D, we are going to solve for the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, we are going to let x equal 0. So from this quadratic function, we have now f of 0 is equals to 0 plus 3 squared plus 2. So we just only substitute 0 to x. So it's equals to 3 squared plus 2. then is equals to 9 plus 2. So the answer is 11. So therefore, the coordinate of the y-intercept is 0, 11. And the y-intercept is equals to 11. Alright. Next, letter E, we are going to find the axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry, the formula is x equals h. So the value of h here is -3. So the axis of symmetry is equals to -3. So this is the answer. Then the last is letter F. Sketch the graph. So by means of this information, we can now sketch the graph. First, draw the vertical line, the y-axis, and then draw the horizontal line, the x-axis. Alright, and then first, you are going to plot the vertex of the parabola. So the vertex is -3, 2, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, approximately here. So this is the vertex. So -3, 2. This is -3, -2, -1, 1, 2. So this is the vertex. And then the y-intercept is 0, 11. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 0, 11 is here. So if we will draw a smooth curve of the parabola of the graph. Okay. So the graph will pass through this at this point. This is the y-intercept. Then, since this is the axis of symmetry, so x equals, this is the line of symmetry. So the graph will form like this. Okay. So this is now the graph of f of x equals x plus 3 squared plus 2. Alright? So that's all for this lesson. So how to find the opening of the parabola, vertex, x-intercept, y-intercept, axis of symmetry, and how to sketch the graph of the quadratic function. Okay guys? So I hope you learned something about this video. So have a nice day to everyone. Bye-bye.